Alright, we are back with another burping challenge. A family burping challenge. This time, y'all, we got the whole family. We have Jada. Alright. Alright, who's going first?
We're going to let Jada go first since this is her first
Alright, Jada, what you want? You pick anything.
One. Which kind? This one?
Uh-huh.
Okay. She went with the Kool-Aid. Alright. So you drink. 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 Alright.
I gotta put it back up. Now what kind?
I'm going to go next. I'm going to go with this one because it's just close.
Boy, that Kool-Aid smell good. I never drunk one Kool-Aid things. Boy.
You want this kind?
No, she wants the orange. I do not know.
I'm going to let Jada get some too. That way she can have more carbonation.
There you go. Let's see. Go ahead. Ain't nothing wrong with a little double round.
That hurt.
Yeah, it does.
So her eyes watering. Look. She said, "Ow, that hurt."
That hurt my throat.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna have to go with the Kool-Aid. I never had one of these carbonated Kool-Aid before, so here it goes. This thing right here is big. I'm gonna have to move this one. There we go. There we go. It's gonna burn my throat. Sweet Jesus. God.
It burned.
Mm-hmm.
I'm finished that.
Alright. Layla wanted to go with this one.
Yeah.
Her head was on my arm. I tried to move my arm like this to go over her head, and I'm pushing her head. It's like, dang.
Okay.
What that tastes like? I never had one of them either.
That's soda.
Ain't gonna lie, y'all, this good.
Pink grapefruit.
Shoo.
It's good.
It tastes. It was bubbling.
Alright. And I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one.
Ew!
Ooh.
You bumped it.
We getting started early this time.
That little Kool-Aid, boy.
Okay, what do you pick, Jada?
Done.
This one?
Uh-huh.
Apple juice? Who drank my mother apple juice?
Apple juice.
Oh yeah, this seltzer is cherry lime.
I heard you burp.
I burped.
We heard it.
It's the food.
If you don't sit up right, the camera might not see you.
You gonna drink apple juice?
She don't want no.
Slid it right on down. Alright?
Whose turn is it? Mine?
Jada's. No, Jada just picked. So yeah, it's yours.
Yeah. That's what I thought. Alright, y'all. I never had one of these ices. Sparkling. Be quiet. Sparkling ice water. I mean, juice.
Water. Ah!
Who knew they made all these juices like soda?
Yeah. It's probably to help like the transition phase when you're going from water to from soda to water. I mean,
That.
and you really can't get over the fizzing part.
Mama. That tastes just like soda.
Yeah.
I didn't try it. Ew.
This thing feels like Sprite.
Yeah. All right.
Ooh.
What do you pick, Layla? You pick that? Here, drink out of this one. Because it's already open. There you go.
She said, wow.
Alright, Jada. You want a drink?
We gotta get some burps. Ain't nobody burping yet.
That's right.
Yeah,
y'all have some.
I'm having a little punk burps, man. Them don't even count, yo.
I'm gonna do the black cherry.
Where's the worst?
Black cherry! Oh my.
Whoa!
That thing's about to spray everywhere.
About exploded.
Get about.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's fizzing. Is that water? Give it to me.
Whoa. Sweet Jesus.
I don't want to try it.
You hear that?
Yes.
Boy, that rum in my soul. I hope she don't puke on me today. I swear to God.
I like the red one the first.
And I already have paper towels.
Bah. Who turn is it? See, everybody want to be strong,
Jadis,
but nobody want to lift no weights.
it's your turn. Which one do you want to pick? Pick which one. Any one. This one? Yeah.
Welch's.
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 Right. Be careful. You got it?
Ooh,
Whoa.
sweet Jesus. Let her fly at the camera. You try to burp on me, cuz.
You want some juice?
I know, I'm taking that drink up. I want that. I want a Welch's grape juice right now.
Alright.
My turn?
Yep.
Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see.
And then you got lime over here.
Did you try this one? You tried the black one, the cherry.
Yeah, the black cherry is the last
Fizzing. It's fizzing.
It's not going nowhere.
one.
But it's going in your
Oh, it smells good. It smells like some Sprite. You sure this ain't soda?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like some dang on Sprite.
It's about to pop.
Oh, yeah, you spitting all over me. Sweet Jesus, stop. It's
Yeah.
that back.
Take a burp.
Oh, you did?
I burped in my third mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
my
good.
legs. It is soda. Let me get you my knife.
Alright, Layla.
I don't care. It's scratching my hand.
Bruh.
Right here.
I wasted that junk everywhere.
Dinner. Ain't no burp coming out me.
This don't make you burp. This do.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with
This
Coke.
and this.
Coca-Cola.
Coke about to spray on you.
Oh, man.
What?
This carbonated stuff make you feel so full fast.
Yeah.
And it burns your mouth. You want a Coke? You want a drink?
She didn't want that. I felt like a dragon.
Alright, it's your turn, Daddy.
Nicki Minaj. All right. Let me try this one right here.
Oh, yeah.
This sounds so disgusting. Oh, cranberry lime.
Oh.
Okay, here we go.
You spray on me.
Bro, oh snap.
Mama,
Look.
give me a few more juices.
That smells good.
I burped it.
Dang.
High five.
You cooking the ceiling. You see it. It's on fire.
It's bubbling.
My camera burning.
It's bubbling.
I'm trying to get the guts. I'm trying to get the guts to drink this cranberry part. Not so much the lime. It's the cranberry.
There's 3 of us. I burped. 3 of us. And I almost puked on myself. But swallow. Baby boy's in his bed.
Oh no.
Baby boy is in
No.
his bed. My turn?
This right here is disgusting.
Alright, it's your turn, Layla.
This one's getting took off.
This one?
Yes!
We can't do this one no more.
Ah, you spit on my ass!
Yeah.
That's definitely not. Where you find that? Ooh, that's definitely
You wanna
not.
try this?
Oh,
Huh? Yeah.
damn.
Oh.
My stomach feels so full right now. That's how you know I'm finna. Hey, real quick while they drinking that, I'm about to.
I don't like it.
Another sip.
Oh!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Oh!
What's up, man?
It's wet! I'm wet!
You're
I'm gonna change clothes.
It was already.
You're out of the game, Layla.
I gotta change clothes.
Oh no!
Oh my God, y'all! We gotta cut the camera. Cut! Hold on a second. We'll be right back.
Alright. I'm gonna pick Red Bull.
Ooh.
I had bent over to have cleaned up that mess. You heard me.
Alright, Jada. What kind do you want?
Which one was Artan?
What?
This one? Yeah. Alright. Two hands.
You done dropped. She dropped. All right, she knocked a can over. Right after that, dropped and knocked the bottle over. I swear, it was crazy.
Oh my goodness.
It went everywhere. It got on my feet. God dang. I kept my socks on and stuff though. All right, I'm going back. I ain't tried nothing else, have I?
Not really.
Yeah, I have. I tried
That
that.
like cherry's
this.
actually good.
I tried this, that. I don't want no grapefruit soda. I mean juice.
So.
It's good.
Grapefruit juice?
Yep, your next turn, you remember which one you want, okay?
Okay.
Alright, Layla, it's your turn.
What you wanted that? That one tastes like lemonade.
No, I'm good. Alright, now pick the kind you want, Layla.
She swished it around her mouth.
This one, you can get the can right here.
She can open that. She wants it.
You want some of this guy?
Why are you always giving me the same pen when I can open?
I tried the lime.
Right.
I haven't tried this one. I'm not drinking the energy. I can't do it. Let's see what you got, Big Mama. See what you got, Mama.
Alright, Jada, which one did you pick? This one?
Daddy squishy rid of you!
Squishy, squishy.
And then there goes the bug up your eye. Ain't no bug. You alright, Jada? Is it hot? She made a face like she almost drowned it.
You want some of this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This makes me happy.
Oh, she look. There she go. Third soda almost. Let's see, man.
What's the
I
butt?
don't know if I want to drink this, man. That black cherry.
Right.
Last time I drank some black cherry stuff, it made me feel crazy. All right, here goes. I give you the crooked eye, like
Ooh, I heard that burp.
It was a real better.
No, don't do that.
This is good. I feel some birds. I can't even act right.
Which one, Layla? You want that guy?
Yeah. I burp.
This kind's good, man.
I burp.
Ugh, somebody burst like pizza rolls and what the world?
That was me.
It was mine.
It was Layla's. This thing. That ain't somebody hamburger, all kind of stuff. Ugh.
I ate the casserole.
Alright, I am going to get Red Bull again.
Why are you drinking the same can? And why am I drinking that can?
Red Bull is her go-to.
Alright, Jada, which one? Which one? This one?
Exercise.
You look like you're doing a girl dance.
Nope. Like, ow. Ow.
Alright,
I'm inspired.
your turn.
It's pink.
You have another one.
I know for sure. That don't hurt my. And you know for sure that hurts your tongue.
Maybe we can just in a drink. Ooh! I don't want to see that. Ooh! Ooh!
Alright, Layla, pick. Pick your flavor.
Yo, my joint sounds so nasty. Let me see this one more time. Boom!
Scared the juice out of her.
Almost dropped there. Look at you, almost dropped
Mommy, you got a big
Pass it to
mustache.
Jada. Mama, pass it to you.
Now you do too.
Pass it to me.
We all got
she
juice
make that joke like,
Pass it to me.
Give me the lid.
I gotta put it on.
Put it on.
I
Don't drop it, Layla. Please. Alright.
hope that it don't
There we go.
stick on my armpit.
Alright, it is my turn. I
Then
pick
it's
Cola.
Jada's turn. Then it's Jada's turn. Then it's my turn.
I'm already killing my turn. I'm killing.
It's my turn. It's
Whoa!
What's that? Why?
Alright, Jada, pick your kind. This? This? This one? Yeah?
It will help if you say yes.
Yes.
I burped
She was
again.
like,
I burped again.
Good job.
your hair almost wet in my juice, boy.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, no,
Oh,
no.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Yo.
Alright, it's back to you.
Oh, God.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you get down.
Okay. Then it's my turn. You know what different is?
for the making test.
Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah, it's Daddy's turn.
I was saying what's my point here. Speaking of that.
Look at my Ooh!
I got one covered.
Stop.
It's my turn.
Oh, oh, man. Oh, God. Oh, man.
I'm the man.
Ah.
Get out of here. Hey!
You get out of here, drink spiller.
She.
She is #1 drink spiller in all of America, nigga. I swear.
Get out of here.
She She had that bird that shot out.
Polly want a burger.
Alright, it's your turn
Oh, she
again.
done turned into a bird. You hear that? She said Polly wants something for supper. Oh my God.
That or that?
Are you talking to me?
No.
You just went, right?
Yeah.
I got to check for backwash. Because our children, they like the backwash. And I don't like drinking food.
Let me burp you, Jada.
I didn't burp.
Oh, telephone. Who is
I
that?
burped.
I don't know.
I burped, but I almost puked.
Could have been True Religion.
Yeah.
Can you take our whole family?
Whoa!
Mama.
I was on fire! Oh my God.
That's our family.
What's wrong with the children?
We're just acting crazy. I'm gonna go to a monkey family now.
I can feel a burp coming.
I didn't need it to hide.
She has to do this because she's a smart monkey.
It's like they won't come out by themselves.
She be like, I need somebody to burp me.
Well, this time, part 2 has definitely had more burps, I feel like. But I can't do this no more. My stomach hurts. I'm
Let me
done.
do it. Let me do it.
Now they're burping me. Burping me like a baby.
My hands ain't on there.
She need assistance.
Yay!
She needed
You a big baby.
It's a hug.
Oh man, oh man. Alright man, who next?
Jada?
Y'all done?
I'm done.
I ain't done.
I don't think I can do it no more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it for 100 days.
It's getting hectic, brother. Ooh, hold on.
I can use the Kool-Aid. What? The burp.
I burped.
Shoo.
I did a little burp.
Oh!
I'm gonna try the Kool-Aid.
Oh.
Alright, man.
I'm gonna try
We're gonna end this video right here, man. I think we tapping out. We drunk a whole lot more this time.
Yeah.
Definitely. The bottles was taller. I ain't gonna lie. These flavors is good. I kept drinking this one,
Yeah, that one's good.
this one,
Yeah.
this one. I already know these is good.
Yeah.
This one, I don't drink soda. I already know this one's good, so. With that being said, man, shouts out to Roberto. You know what I'm saying? One more time, Roberto.
Renzetti.
Oh, she remembered it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to get, there's your shout out. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to keep reminding the people you gave us the idea. And we thank you, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Don't woosah. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified when we post new content. You know what I'm saying?
It's your turn, Mama.
Look, you talk about you want in. You still urban. Yeah, turn your notification bells on. Until next time, what we say, y'all?
Peace.
Peace. I'm out, bruh.